Assalamu alaikum learners. To all the math lovers out there, I have bring you an outstanding short trick to calculate square root on your fingertips, so don't miss it. So first of all, recall the squares of numbers from 0 to 9. Here you can notice the similarity among the squares of 4 and 6. Both have the last term 6. Now similarly, 3 and 7 both have 9 as a last term, and 2 and 8 have 4 as a last term, while 1 and 9 have 1 as a last term. Okay, moving forward. So let's calculate the first square root of 900. Now check this. The last term is 0, which is the square of 0. Now cut the last two terms and we will be remaining with 9, which is the perfect square of 3. So the square root of 900 is 30. Okay. We will move towards the next example, which is 7225. Here we have 5 as a last term, and 5 comes in the square root of 25. Okay, so it will be 5. Now cut the last two terms and we will be remaining with 72. And now let's see 72. 72 is close to 64. Okay, so it will be 85. Hence 85 is the square root of 7225. Okay, so now let's move towards a bit complex questions. 576. Okay, so the square of 4 and 6 have 6 as a last term. Okay, we will move towards this step a bit later. Now cancel the last two terms and check out the 5. 5 is close to the square of 2 is 4. Okay, so now let's decide among the 24 or 26. To decide this, we will calculate the square of 25. To calculate the square of 25, I'm going to share with you an amazing trick. Okay, so any number which ends up 5 its square can be calculated using the following trick. Okay, since the 5 square is 25, okay, now 2. Multiply it with the upcoming term, which will be 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. So the square of 25 will be 625. Since 576 is smaller than 625, hence 24 is the right option. So the square root of 576 will be 24. Okay, moving towards the next example. 6241. The square of 1 and 9 have the last term 1. Sorry, the square of 1 and 9 have the last term 9. I'm sorry if it just happened by mistake. Okay, now 1 or 9. Now cancel the last two terms and here we'll be remaining with 62. 62. Now let's see that which number have a square close to 62 or exactly equal to 62. It's 7. 7 square is equal to 49, so our option will be 71 or 79. To decide among 71 or 79, we will calculate the square of 75. We will use the exact same trick. 5 square is equal to 25 and 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. So the square of 75 will be 5625. Since 5625 is smaller than 6241, hence 79 will be the correct option. Okay, moving towards the next example. Okay, so our next example is 9216. Before solving it, I will advise you to solve it by yourself. Okay, moving towards the solution. Here we have the last term 6, and 6 appears in the squares of 4 and 6. So our last term will be 4 or maybe 6. Okay, now moving towards the next step, we will cancel the last two terms and we will be remaining with the 92, which is close to the square of 9, and that is 81. So it may be 94 or 96. Let's decide among the two numbers. For doing this, we will calculate the square of 95, and for this we will use the same strategy. 5 square is equal to 25 and 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. So the square of 95 will be 9025. Okay, since 9216 is greater than 9025, hence 96 is the square root of 9216. Okay, I hope you understand the solutions and found this video interesting. Thank you.